news item published in MO4, dated 13 February 2024, under the caption, Right Kid Drop, Kid Pilat Putnaka, Jingkieng Umrynjah, late Ïing Dorbar Mawlai. Minister Well Marbanyang, MLA, please.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for allowing me to call the attention of the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in MO4, dated 13 February 2024, under the caption, Iaid kitrok kit palat put na Jingkieng Umrynjah, lej ujor ka Dorbar Snong Sha ka DC. During the past few months, as we have witnessed, repair and renovation of the main mynsiem bridge is being carried out, and this led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umrynjah passing through Madan Maukar, Umrynjah, Mawsekhnam, Nongkolo till Mautawar. And this has caused annoyance to the people living in these villages. And it is understood also that the built-up girder or the Bok bridge can withstand the load of up to 9 tons, as usually seen in the signboards which are displayed in almost all semi-permanent bridges. The Bok bridge at Umrynjah is very old bridge and which has probably been designed for the above load of 9 tons only. Hence, plying of heavy vehicles traffic on the bridge may affect the overall structure, and unfortunately, it may also collapse. Secondly, the road from Umden to Mawsekhnam, Nongkolo up to Mautawar is still a single lane road, having pavement width of maximum 3.75 meter. Moreover, metallic and black topping of the road has been done as per state road design, that is conventional, which cannot cater to the heavy loaded vehicles. By saying this, it means that the road has been constructed taking into consideration that it will be able to withstand only for light to medium traffic. Apart from that, if we take into consideration the topography of the area where the road passes is mountainous in the stretches from Jalinshir up to Lom Mausing. Hence, heavy loaded vehicles will find it very difficult to counter the gradients while climbing up. This, added with the narrow nature of the road all along, poses great danger to the road users, for which fatal accident may occur. As of now, there has been reports that accidents are occurring frequently on the road due to increased number of vehicles. And therefore, I will request the Minister in charge to kindly look into the matter, whereby we understand that because of the repair work that is being carried out in the main mynsiem bridge, automatically it has led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umrynjah up to Mautawar. But I would also request the Minister to see to it that these heavy vehicular should not pass through these villages. Otherwise, it will create a problem, it will create annoyance, and it might even lead to fatal accidents. Thank you.
May I request Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to make a reply, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to Sri Bryce Tarwal Marbanians Honorable MLA from Mawlai Assembly Constituency for raising these important issues relating to deploying of our loading trucks through the Umrynjah bridge. Yes, this issue was brought to the notice of Deputy Commissioner on the 12th of February 2024 by the Ïing Dorbar, in which they informed that in the Dorbar held on the 1st February of 2024, the Ïing Dorbar took a decision to inform the government authority that there are overloaded trucks plying through this Umrynjah bridge at night, and they stated in the letter that the overloading trucks Umrynjah bridge at night may cause the damage to the bridge, which is the only connecting point in the village, and which is a fact, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. And on receipt of the letter from Deputy Commissioner has on the same day wrote to the Chief Engineer to the road, directed him to assess the permissible load admissibles to allow vehicle to ply over the Umrynjah bridge. Till date, the assessment report from the Chief Engineer to the building is still awaited, and it is bring to the concerns of the Honorable MLA that as soon as the Chief Engineer to the road complete the assessment on the permissible load allowed for vehicle to ply on that particular bridge, the Deputy Commissioner will pass necessary order to restrict the load of the vehicle and disallow all the overload to ply on that road. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I assure that follow-up actions on the complaint will be taken up at the earliest, and I once again thank the Honourable Member Sri Bryce Tarwal Marbanians MLA from Mawlai Assembly Constituencies for raising these issues relating to the plying over of overloading trucks through the Umrynjah, and also all the important points mentioned by the Honourable Member is point noted by me. I think with these few clarifications, I resume my seat, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Bryce Tarwal Marbanian, you may seek one clarification if you need.
I would like to thank the Minister in charge for having clarified with regards to the grievances as being put forth before the Minister in charge, and hopefully it will be taken care of by the department concerned. Thank you, sir.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center